Looking for some renter-friendly home decor? Look no more then. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. First things first, we're gonna talk about measurements. I would just say measure your wall before you even purchase these panels, and wipe your wall off, clean it, remove any dust or debris. I use rubbing alcohol just to really clean it and dry it out. Watch me do this DIY accent wall. I got this wall from Amazon. It came in 2 days. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I wish y'all could see it in person. Like it if you like it. If you don't, that's fine too. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.